Hi, welcome to this spiral video. My name is Sarah Powell from the University of Texas at Austin. We're in a series of videos focused on computation, and now we are focused on division, and today we're going to think about what it means to use the partial quotients algorithm. So we are going to use partial quotients to solve a problem like this, 917 divided by 12. Now to get this set up to use with the partial quotients algorithm, I'm going to rewrite this problem. I'm going to think about how many groups of 12 can I make if I have 917? And I like to take that long division bracket, and I'm also going to draw a line, a vertical line down there, because that's going to help me separate my partial quotients from my workspace. So the first question I ask myself is, how many groups of 12 can I make if I have 917? Well, if I knew that, we probably wouldn't be doing this problem right now. But I don't know the exact quotient, but I can get kind of close. So I know 12 times 10 is 120. 12 times 20 would be 240, and so on. So 12 times 50 is 600. That's just something that I know and that feels very familiar to me. You might use different partial quotients. So now I'm going to do 917 minus 600, and that gives me remaining 317. So I'm not done yet. I can make more groups of 12 if I have 317. So let's see, 12 times 10 would be 120. 12 times 20 would be 240. That sounds like a really nice partial quotient. So I'm going to write the partial quotient over there. Then I'm going to do the multiplication. 12 times 20 is 240. And then I subtract 317 minus 240. So 7 minus 0 is 7. Here I'm going to regroup. All right. And now I have 77. I can still make groups of 12 if I have 77. So how many groups of 12 can I make if I have 77? Well, I know 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 would be 72. That's really close. Wow. So now I'll subtract 77 minus 72, and here I have 5. Now I ask myself, how many groups of 12 can I make if I have 5? Well, I can't make another complete group of 12. Today I'm going to think about using remainders, not fractional amounts, so I am going to use that as my remainder. So what I have to do is add my partial quotients. I'll add those together. 50 plus 20, that's 70. 70 plus 6 is 76. And then remember, I have this remainder. I can't forget about that. 76 remainder 5. So when I have 917 and I divide that by 12, my quotient is 76 remainder 5. So that was just one way that I could use the partial quotient strategy to solve a problem like this. Do know that the way that I use the partial quotients might not always be the way that you use the partial quotients. And that's one of the really nice things about the partial quotient strategy, is that there's a lot of flexibility with how you use the strategy. So I hope you will tune into some of our other spiral videos where we work on other types of division strategies, as well as strategies for adding, subtracting, and multiplying. See you soon.